Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to add Amazon gift card to PayPal. So let's get into the video. So if you have your Amazon gift card and you have balance on it, so if you want to add it to your PayPal, unfortunately you can't directly transfer it from your gift card to your PayPal. So what I have here is I have a workaround where you can transfer your gift card balance to your PayPal. So to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to simply go to our Amazon Pay, open up Amazon, go to Amazon Pay, and then add your gift card balance. Click on gift cards and then click on add gift card. So add your gift card here so that you can get the balance on your Amazon Pay. So once you get that, hit on send money. So click on send money on Amazon Pay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to send it to your bank account. So if you click on Amazon Pay and then send money, so simply send it to your bank account. So whatever your bank account is, so send it up. So once you have sent it to your bank account, so now you have the money in your bank account, and you can simply open up your PayPal and then add funds from your PayPal, from your bank account to your PayPal. So for example, once you have logged into your PayPal, so you can add this whatever amount that you had on your gift card, so you can just add that. So you can add that same amount and then use your bank account from your bank account. So that's how you can transfer, add from Amazon gift card to PayPal. You can't directly transfer your funds, but as a workaround you can simply transfer your funds from your gift card to PayPal through your bank account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.